is going on, everybody? My name is Miles. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another ride and review video for you guys. So if you haven't seen, I did do a ride and review on the Sportster S, and today I will be riding the new Harley-Davidson Nightster. So the Nightster is just a smaller, more affordable version of the Sportster S. It still has the Revolution Max engine in it, except it's only 975 cc's. So this bike is going to put out somewhere around 90 horsepower and 70 foot-pounds of torque. This bike is liquid cooled, just like the Sportster and the Pan America. Some people, they do not like the look of the radiator down there. It looks a little bulky to me. I don't know, Harley did a pretty good job. It blends in pretty well to me. This bike comes with LEDs stock, got LEDs in the rear too, a 2-in-1 factory exhaust system, and as you can see, unlike the Sportster S, the suspension is on the sides. It does look like the suspension is a little bit taller, which is cool because you'll be able to lean the bike over more, maneuver it better. This tank is actually not a real gas tank, which is pretty neat. I can stick my hand up in here. It's pretty cool. The tank is actually, the gas tank is underneath the seat with this bike. So this is just like an airbox cover basically. Harley did something really cool when releasing this bike. They shipped a bunch of these out to different bike builders. If you haven't already, you can go watch it on their YouTube channel, but a bunch of different builders took this bike and totally turned it into something else, their own version of it, which is really awesome, and it just shows how customizable the bike is. So yeah, let's mount this thing up. I'll talk about it a little bit and we'll get it out on the road. This bike does come with traction control and a gauge here, which is pretty awesome, along with the different modes. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the bike on. This bike has 5 miles on it, has ABS and traction control, which is pretty awesome for a smaller Sportster. This is Harley's modernized Sportster. So this bike is gonna be pretty quick. I'm not expecting it to be as quick as the Sportster S, but we're gonna find out. It is in road mode right now. I'm gonna leave it in road mode. We're gonna turn it on. Gonna let you guys hear that for a second. Got a low little rumble right there. As we all know, factory Harley-Davidson exhausts are not that loud. I just saw something where a builder did a performance kind of build on this, you know, like a Dynabro build with T-bars and a taller fairing, which was really cool. So yeah, let's get this bike out on the road. It's got premium Showa suspension in the front. Obviously this bike is going to be different than your air-cooled Milwaukee 8 or twin cam. We've got adjustable levers on here, brake lever and clutch lever. The clutch lever is pretty far out, I can tell. Yeah, let's get some pickup. I'm about 5'9", and this is what I look like on the Nightster here. It's Sunday, so there's barely any traffic. Perfect time to do a review. Let's go! Smooth. So you got your RPMs there. Get the first gear. Let's see how high you get. Decelerated at 7. Great. Oh, I can lean it too. We've got it in sport mode. Let's take it up and down one time. I'm going to do a U-turn here and blast it. See how it turns. Yeah, not bad. Here we go. Thoroughly impressed with this bike right now. What a fun bike. Alright guys, so there it is. The Sportster Nightster. This is my review on it. This bike kicks ass. Straight up, this bike kicks so much ass. If you're torn between the Sportster S or this, you're going to be happy with either one of them. Either one of them. I cannot wait to see what the future brings for these new Sportsters. What kind of upgrades you'll be able to do. All of that. Wow. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I'll be giving out a pair of gloves here soon. So just subscribe to my channel and you can be a part of that. The Sportster Nightster, guys. Kick ass. That bike is awesome. I want to just keep riding, to be honest. But I can't. I've got to go in here and try to change some people's lives and sell some bikes. If you're in the area, come by. Independence Harley-Davidson here in Matthews, North Carolina. Ask for Miles, I'll take care of you. As always, ride fast, take chances, lean your bike over, get out there. My name is Miles. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.